We will tell you the 9 money habits you should adopt now to get rich. The last habit is ignored by many, and thus they remain poor. So watch this video till the end if you want to be a millionaire. Now let's start. Number 1. Understanding money is a tool. For numerous individuals in the United States, financial matters frequently take precedence in their lives. It may appear to be a source of concern, anxiety, and discord in their lives. Many individuals experience concerns about depleting their financial resources, and some, irrespective of their financial status, persist in the belief that they will never attain sufficient wealth. The continuous quest for increased wealth frequently prevents individuals from achieving the financial tranquility they desire. Instead of viewing money in this manner, it's beneficial to recognize that it serves merely as a tool to prioritize what truly matters to you. It's important to take the time to evaluate what truly holds significance in your life, rather than attributing all value to financial matters. This could provide an opportunity for you to evaluate your priorities as you navigate through life experiences. Number 2. Refrain from making financial decisions based on insufficient information. It is widely recognized that a well-known saying, often linked to Benjamin Franklin, emphasizes the importance of planning. The person who fails to plan plans to fail. In my observation, a significant number of Americans dedicate more time to investigating their next cell phone or vehicle purchase than they do to strategizing their financial future. This is particularly noteworthy considering the research that highlights the advantages that strategic planning can offer. Rather than making financial decisions without fully grasping their long-term implications, it would be beneficial to create a comprehensive financial plan, as this can offer essential clarity in this domain. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. Number 3. Steer clear of lifestyle inflation. How did you allocate the last raise or bonus you received from your employer? Have you allocated additional funds towards your financial planning objectives? Or have you increased your expenditures on discretionary items? As your income increases, it's natural to feel inclined to indulge in more luxurious items and experiences. An ongoing rise in expenditures that surpasses the growth in income is referred to as lifestyle creep or lifestyle inflation. It is common to adjust your spending in accordance with rising wages. However, it is important to be cautious, as excessive increases in spending may jeopardize your ability to sustain your lifestyle in the future. One effective strategy for maximizing wage increases is by utilizing retirement plans like a 401k. For instance, should you receive a 5% raise, it would be prudent to consider increasing your 401k contribution by that same percentage. Although implementing this may present challenges, it can significantly enhance your savings potential. Number 4. Avoid financing assets that are likely to lose value over time. As reported by the Federal Reserve, the total credit card debt held by Americans stands at $807 billion, with a remarkable $120 billion paid in interest to banks in 2021 alone. Utilizing borrowed funds for immediate expenses can lead to significant financial challenges in the future, as the cost of interest can compound over time. It is common to hear professionals discuss the distinctions between beneficial debt and detrimental debt. Typically, favorable debt refers to a loan taken out for an asset that is likely to appreciate in value or contribute positively to your overall financial standing, whereas unfavorable debt pertains to a loan used to purchase items that tend to lose value over time. Whenever feasible, it is advisable to steer clear of financing assets that are likely to lose value over time. Number 5. Avoid purchasing or renting a home that exceeds your financial capacity. One of the most significant errors individuals can commit is allocating an excessively high portion of their budget to housing expenses. Neglecting to accurately assess long-term expenses such as real estate taxes, homeowners association fees, utilities, and maintenance or repairs can lead to significant financial repercussions. It's important to keep in mind that buying or renting a home that exceeds your budget can restrict your ability to allocate funds toward other financial objectives. Many individuals may not realize that they are inadvertently delaying their retirement by acquiring homes that exceed their financial capacity. Before making a home purchase, it's wise to conduct thorough calculations to determine how much you can afford while ensuring you stay aligned with your long-term financial objectives. Number 6. Mitigate your financial risks. Insurance serves to shift specific risks to another entity, allowing you to avoid assuming the entire burden in the event of a loss. Health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, long-term care insurance, auto insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance, and property and casualty insurance represent some of the key risks that can be effectively managed through transfer strategies. Securing comprehensive coverage and safeguarding yourself against the unexpected challenges that life may present is crucial, particularly when you have dependents such as a spouse, children, or other family members who rely on you. It may be beneficial to consult with an independent resource to explore coverage options that align with your specific needs and preferences. Number 7. Understand your expenditures and identify areas of unnecessary spending. In today's environment of monthly subscriptions and convenient, one-click shopping, it's common for consumers to accumulate numerous services, fees, and subscriptions that can significantly increase their expenses over time. The recurring costs associated with streaming music, movies, and online applications, along with television, internet, and household services, contribute significantly to overall monthly expenditures. When you combine these expenses with the convenience of one-click shopping at Amazon and other online retailers, it can feel like your money is disappearing more quickly than the packages can be delivered to your doorstep. Ultimately, many households are losing money on unnecessary services and expenditures. By addressing this financial waste, you can redirect those funds towards achieving your long-term financial objectives. Number 8. Understand your actual income after taxes. It may come as a surprise, but numerous employees and retirees do not have a clear understanding of their after-tax income. Gross income represents the total amount you earn before any deductions for taxes, expenses, or savings, and it is the figure that most individuals refer to as their income. It's important to recognize that a household with an income of $100,000 might find that their net income available for goal allocation is only $70,000. Many households frequently base their budgeting on gross income, leading to an overestimation of the actual funds available for their lifestyle choices. This may lead to increased costs and diminished savings rates. Number 9. Establish a robust emergency fund to withstand economic downturns. What is the appropriate amount for your cash reserve? The response varies based on the specific contingency you are preparing for. While a standard reserve of 3 to 6 months may be adequate for many, households employed in economically sensitive sectors that might be affected during a downturn should contemplate maintaining larger reserves. Furthermore, households dependent on a single income stream might consider aiming for more substantial reserves. It is advisable for businesses to evaluate their working capital requirements and assess the necessity of obtaining lines of credit. Exploring FDIC-insured savings accounts, CDs, and online savings or direct banks can be beneficial for your reserves. Taking the time to shop around online may reveal institutions that provide more competitive rates. Now, watch the video appearing on the right side to know the lessons the rich parents teach their kids, but not the poor. Also, subscribe to our channel to stay updated about personal finance daily.